Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSEM Manipur. Unit 6 Statistics and Probability. Topic Statistics. Exercise Miscellaneous Examples on Chapter 15. Miscellaneous Examples on Chapter 15. Question number 1. The mean and variance of 8 observations are 9 and 9.25 respectively. If 6 of the observations are 6, 7, 10, 12, and 13, find the remaining 2 observations. Mean amasung variance 8 observation gidu 9 amasung 9.25 mathang shin ani observation taruk amadi pyramid lemhoriba observation ani du putu haibani. Here x mean is 9 and variance is 9.25, n is 8. Since x bar equal to 9 gives x bar is equal to this and the other 2 remaining observation to x y locally which gives 9. Cross multiply and we get an equation involving x and y. X and y are the 2 observations to be found out. Since variance is given as 9, therefore variance habadi siga manare magi value pisalabadi 1 by n gi I pirani x I square number sindu square x ki square y is square 9.25 phange 9 square sigi 9 min gi 9 do asunda transfer tawthradi we get this. Simplify taraga se phangani hariba sida equation 2 ama phange equation ani sidagi x y solve togadabani. Equation 1 into solve toragadi x ki value 4 y ki value 8 phange masina puthokadaba observation ani dani. Question number 2. The mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16 respectively. If 5 of the observations are this, find the remaining 2 observations. Lemoriba observation ani puto haibani. Similar to question number 1. Question number 1 ga chap manare. 3. The mean and standard deviation of 6 observations are 8 and 4 respectively. If each observation is multiplied by 3 and the new mean and the new standard deviation of the resulting observations. Find the new mean and new standard deviation of the resulting observations. Here x bar is 8, standard deviation is 4, number of observations is 6. And x bar is given by this. In the cross multiply we get summation of xi 48. Therefore new mean the 1 by 6 of summation of 3 times of xi. 3 kamalotokari we get this kaktana the half sigidi half pangani adu summation of sigidi exactly mahakti I kamana re nipalong kumari 24 pangi new mean adu 24 warani. Also standard deviation is given as 4. Standard deviation ki formula na disipire respective value pichi law squaring kara badi we get this 64 6 that is 2 whose value is this must be this whose square is 20. This must be 16 no and solve the summation of xi to 4 it lare. Therefore new standard deviation the x kudingmak 3xi na sindokrani new mean adu kok direct sinjalani mahakidi simplify taro 3 3 square then 9 by 6 lare summation of xi square di matak ta puthokare 480 value simplify taro with 12 phange new standard to 12 phange. Question number 4. Given that mean is the x bar is the mean, sigma square is the variance of n observations x1, x2, xn. Prove that the mean and the variance of the observations ax1, ax2, ax3, axn are a into x bar and a square into sigma square respectively. A does not equal to 0. We have x bar is this, sigma square is this. New mean is given by x is replaced by xi. A to summation kudumaki kamalotokro we get this. A times of x bar phangani new mean adu. Also variance the formula seasonal we get this. Masigi new variance to silarani x kudumak ax sin x kudumak ax sin sindokrani a square sigis a square lotor a square phange manungi bracket asidi a square sigma summation square sigma square ga manari new mean adu phangari. Question number 5. The mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are found to be 10 into respectively. 20 observations ki mean namasung standard deviation 10 namasung 2 ni mathang sitna On rechecking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect. Amuk hana check tarobada observation amadi 8 lana iramle. Calculate the correct mean and the standard deviation in each of the following cases. Wakake cases singaduda correct mean amasung correct standard deviation puto. If wrong item is omitted, wrong item do mula lokthokraga oiba. If it is replaced by 12, aduguma wrong item do 12 na mahut silabadi heaven. Here x min is given as 10 and standard deviation is given as 2 and n number of observation is 20. X bar is 10, it is given. And x bar is this, whose formula is gives this, from which we have a summation of xi to 200. Therefore, incorrect sum of observation is 200. Therefore, correct sum of observations to the madhuga 8 lathokani 192 lairani. Therefore, correct mean the 192 by item the 19 laihore. If wrong item is omitted, harabanina 19 or 10.1. Also, standard deviation is 2. The standard deviation formula 20 items that is sigma and square in car abadi 4 and sigma 10 square and sigma silary. Assume the value put abadi summation of xi square 2080 or 20 items ki. Therefore, correct summation of xi square the sig 2000 it sidagi asagi 8 lan ikiba item adugi square gi value lothokrani we get 2016. Therefore, correct standard deviation the 20 observations tagi observation number lothokrani 19 laihore maduna correct summation of xi to the yelani minus correct mean adu putho ani. So the values calculation tawrabadi we get 1.99 phang. Correct standard deviation 1.99 oigani. Ahama case ki loikre adugumba observation 12 na silabadi having x bar is given as 10 summation scenario 20 items ni the summation of xi 200 lare. Therefore, incorrect sum of observations 200 ore. Therefore, correct sum the 200 to the item of 12 na mahusula 12 plus 204 phangi. Therefore, correct mean the 204 asida 20 items ni correct. Ama lothoko sama absolutely 20 number of observation 20 ori 10.2 phangi. Also, standard deviation is given as 2. Standard deviation formula panjilo we get this squaring car the 4 phangani. Assume sig value the silaire signa 10 pisalani. Summation of xi square 2080 ni. Therefore, correct summation of xi square the 200 20 8 zeros the 8 square log 12 square plus toxilani that is 2160 point. Therefore, correct standard deviation the pisalani number do log absolutely 20 items sorry 216 lani some indicina pirani. So the value single evaluate torabadi we get 1.98 point. 6. The mean and standard deviation of marks obtained by 50 students of a class in 3 subjects, mathematics, physics, and chemistry are given below. Mean 50 student the class amagi 50 students na phangba minimum standard deviation subject of the promotion to makara p mean salary standard deviation salary. Which of these 3 subjects shows the highest variability in marks and which shows the lowest? Kanana kara hena kwaidagi hena mark hondo hunjin akakum naibagi aduga kanana kwaidagi hen yamdana mark akakum naibagi. Coefficient of variation of mathematics the standard deviation by mean into 100 puto value lerani. Coefficient of variation of in physics to the mark standard deviation by mean into 100 is 46.86 lari. Coefficient of variation of in chemistry the standard deviation by mean into 100 lari 48.89 lari. The subject with greater coefficient of variation is more variable than the other or others. Hence, the highest variability is in chemistry. Chemistry 20R, 46, 40R. Chemistry the coefficient of variation is quite the highest variability lady. And least variability is in mathematics. Mathematics the least mana quite the least variability and more consistent subject omsidagi hen a consistent or subject omsigon mana quite consistent or. Question number 7. The mean and standard deviation of a group of 100 observations were found to be 20 and 3 respectively. Later on, it was found that 3 observations were incorrect, which were recorded as 21, 21, and 18. Find the mean and standard deviation if the incorrect observations are omitted. 100 observation की min amasung standard deviation do 20 amasung 3 mathang sina oi check toruba matung da incorrect khara phange makoi sindu 21 21 89 ne iramle ahum amadi makoi gi hariba incorrect observations to lokthok khaba matung da incorrect observations are omitted incorrect observations sing lokthok khaba matung da lehoba observations sing adu min amasung standard deviation to haibani. Here n is 100, incorrect mean is 20, incorrect standard deviation is 3. Therefore, mean की दमकता दी 20 equal to incorrect mean सिलरनी सिद्धि summation of xi पुते. Therefore, correct sum of observation दी 2000 सिद्धि observation अहम से खाइदो करने 194 सिद्ध फंगनी. Therefore, correct mean दी कोई 1940 असिदा 100 observation दी अहम लोग तो 97 ये ले 20 फंगे. Also standard deviation di formula ke matung na si phangani value singa si standard deviation di 3 piram le incorrect or standard deviation 3 le squaring card we get the 6 squaring card si phangani sidagi summation of xi square si number si phangi. Therefore correct summation of xi di 40,900 tagi minus 21 square minus 21 square minus 18 square khaido khadi 39694 phangi. Therefore correct standard deviation di respective formula sin raga kon si phangani value evaluate the 3.036 point. Thank you for watching video.